Hello AI enthusiasts. Hope you all are safe. So, few days back I posted a story on our Instagram handle that on which project we should make a next video. So, as per your suggestions, we are going to start with object detection. Before moving on to building a model, let's first try to understand what is object detection. Let's say we are going to build a pedestrian detection model for a self-driving car. So what a self-driving car will do? It will try to capture an image something like this. Now how to describe this image? This image shows people walking in front of the self-driving car. So to avoid the accident, it will try to draw bounding box against the people. So the system can pinpoint the people in the image, and according to that it can able to make the decision. So let's get started.
Hello machine learning enthusiasts. Please do subscribe our channel for artificial intelligence knowledge and also press the bell icon ताकि जब भी कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड हो आप उसे जल्दी से इम्प्लीमेंट कर सको. Object detection has multiple applications such as face detection, vehicle detection, self-driving cars and security systems. There are two major objectives of object detection. First, to identify all objects in present image or a video or in real time. Then, filter out the object of attention, which means detecting objects by leaving the background. Now, today, we are going to do object detection using deep learning. Let's start with the Image AI library of Python, which is built to empower the developers to build applications and systems with self-contained deep learning and computer vision capabilities using just few lines of code. Now, Image AI contains algorithms such as RetinaNet, YOLO v3 and TinyYOLO v3. Image AI makes use of several APIs that works offline. It has object detection, video detection, and object tracking APIs that can be called without internet access. Now, what is the best part of Image AI? Image AI makes use of pre-trained model and can be easily customized. Today, we are going to use object detection class of the Image AI library that contains the functions to perform object detection on any images or set of images using pre-trained models. With Image AI, one can detect and recognize 80 different kinds of common everyday objects. So let's start with installation. Firstly, we need to install a few dependencies to use Image AI. So, first step would be, as usual, if you haven't installed Python, download it and install. And if you face any difficulty in installing Python, you can check the video. Link will be in the description. Second step would be install TensorFlow. For that, command would be pip install TensorFlow. Third, OpenCV. For that, pip install OpenCV Python. Third is Keras, and the command for that is pip install Keras. And the last one is Image AI. For that, pip install Image AI. Now you need to download the model file. Today I am going to use TinyYOLO v3. You can use any. You can get a file from our GitHub handle. And first one is TensorFlow. So what is TensorFlow? For object detection, an open source framework built on the top of TensorFlow that makes it easy to construct, train and deploy the object detection models. Apart from that, TensorFlow is very interesting. You can even build mobile applications using TensorFlow. If you want to learn in detail about TensorFlow, link is in the description and also you can tap on the I button. Now, second is OpenCV. OpenCV is the must library when you want to do some image processing task. By using OpenCV, one can process images and videos to identify objects, faces or even the handwriting of human beings. Third is Keras. Keras is powerful and easy to use free open source Python library for developing and evaluating the deep learning models. It allows you to define and train neural network models in just few lines of code. First, we will import the object detection class from Image AI library. And the second thing would be to create an instance of class object detection, which would be detector. Let us give path to our input image, output image and model. Now we can call the various functions from our class. So we will call the pre-trained model set model type as TinyYOLO v3. You can use any of the three. Then in the next line we call the function set model path. This function accepts a string which contains the path to the pre-trained model. And now it is time to load the model from detector instance. It will load the model using setModelPath class method. Now to detect the objects in the image, we need to call the detectObjectsFromImage. And this function requires two arguments, input image and output image path. So you can see the parameters which contains the path of input image and output image. Now what this function will return? It will return a dictionary which contains the names and percentage probabilities of all the objects detected in the image. To detect the dictionary items or to access them, we need to traverse through each item in the dictionary. Now let's see the results and input image and output image.